Everyone laughed at him when he walked onto the stage in rags. The judges said he was not good enough and maybe never would be. Alone in the dark, he wondered if he'd ever be more than a joke. But deep down, he refused to give up. He trained and learned and changed himself day by day. He ran through the quiet streets, chasing a dream no one else believed in. With every stitch, he sewed not just fabric, but his dream. He designed a red dress not for others, but for the cat he wanted to become. And then he walked the runway again. The crowd fell silent, then gasped in awe. The judges were stunned. This was not the same cat anymore. He held the golden fish trophy high with tears in his eyes. If this story touched your heart, comment a heart and subscribe for more.